Hello, hi everyone. Have you ever frustrated when you're doing a VBA coding because nothing ever seems to work and you don't really know what's going on in your code? Well, here's the good news. Today I'm going to present on how to use the debugging tool that's available in VBA. Okay, right now let's go and see what's available. So VBA offer three kinds of debugging tool. First is called the step through, and also you can use the breakpoint as a second one, and then you can use the immediate window to give you feedback. Okay, right now let's go and look at some of the VBA coding that I have done before. Okay, this is one of the VBA coding that I have done. And basically what this VBA coding do is when you enter a number, a range of number, and they will just take in your lowest number and your highest number, and what they will do is they will spin out in the range of number that you enter in the incremental way. So it's going to take a second for me to open it out. Okay, here is my program. First, you have to enter a number or range, a range of number that's greater than 0. So for example, if I enter 0 and I put OK, then it basically asks me to enter again. So I enter 5 and I put OK. And the next number that I have to enter has to be greater than 5. So I put a 9, and it's going to spin out a list of coding. List of range of number that I enter. Okay, how about if I actually want to step through my program, and is there any way to do that? So what we can do is we go to the developer, we open our basic, and this is the code that I have. Okay, I mentioned about doing the step through. The first tool that I want to show you is the step through. Basically, to use the step through, the shortcut key is by pressing F8. Let me show you that. Okay, let's press F8 right now on your keyboard, and you will see this yellow line. That means the VBA is stepping through your programming code right now. So they clean off sheet 1, and then they go to the next line of coding, and then they go to the next line of coding, and then when they hit this line of coding, and see it clean out the sheet, and then it actually asks you to enter the number. So if you enter number 9, you press enter, it go back again to show it go back again. So you just keep pressing F8 to step through all your program, and this can prevent endless looping. Sometimes when you do programming, you just don't know why, you just end up with an endless loop, and this is going to help you prevent that. Okay, what happened now is you're going to ask me, so I enter a number, so how can I see the number? Okay, in VBA, in order for you to see the variable that you have just entered, all you have to do is go back to the coding, the VBA coding, and then you just hover your mouse over, and you see this is, and you will see the value that you have just entered. So the value equals to 9. So what happens when you say, okay, now I think my program is working fine, and then I just want to reset the program. I want to get out of this step through mode. It's very easy. All you have to do is go out, and you just click on reset, and it'll remove the step through. Okay, let's do the step through again. Okay, I enter number 8, press enter. So you will start stepping through. How about now you say, don't have problem, and I really want to continue to the end. So is there any option? You can press F5 on your keyboard, or you can go to here and run, continue. This will let you run your whole program to the end. And when the program is finished, you will exit the step through mode, and you have finished. Okay, the second thing I want to show you, the second debugging tool is called the breakpoint. So I'm going to talk about setting the breakpoint, continue after the breakpoint, and removing the breakpoint. So what is coding again? Right now, I have this whole chunk of code, but I don't want to do a step through because it takes too much time. I have another option is I can go to here, and I can put right click here, and this is going to be a breakpoint. So when I click on F5 or the run button, it's going to continue running the code until it hit this breakpoint, and then it will break out from the program and return to the VBA editor to let you see what happened. So if you want to remove the breakpoint, all you have to do is to click on here again, and you remove the breakpoint. How about if you say you want to click on the empty cell? So when you try to click on the empty cell, it's not going to do anything because the breakpoint is only working on the coding itself. So when you click on here, it will remove the breakpoint. So this is the second debugging tool that Visual Basic offer. And I'm going to show you the third debugging tool that we have. It's called the immediate window. Just as the name implies, immediate window means you will get immediate feedback. So in order to go to immediate window, all you have to do is go to View, click on immediate window, or you can press Ctrl G. And it will open our immediate window here. For example, I want to set a breakpoint at about here. And I want to run my program. And now I want to see, oh sorry, just now I forgot to press the reset button. So I have to press the reset button again, reset the breakpoint. It's going to be here. I'm going to rerun my program again. Okay, I'm going to press 8. I'm going to press enter. So now, how would I know what is my value? There's one way, there's two ways. First, we can go to here, hover our mouse over, and we know that we have entered a value 8. Or we can go to the immediate window, put question marks, and then key in your variable name and press enter. And this will give you the same output that you expected. And there's also another way. There's another tool that's provided. It's called debug.print. So all you have to do is go back to the VBA coding. What happens if I don't want to use the question marks? I can come to here. I can key this code debug.print, print, and then your variable name. And then let's reset our program. And then we run again. See, it fill out. It gives you an immediate feedback of the variable that you have just entered. Okay, right now, if we want to clean out the immediate window, if you just press close here, basically your data is not wiped out. The data is still in the immediate window. All you have to do is go to View, open immediate window again, then you remove and delete everything, and your immediate window is clean. So I hope that this presentation is useful for you, and that you're able to find that you're able to help you with your debugging right now. Okay, mahalo.